Making my husband. I'm sorry, am I all over the place? Hello, Randy. How are you? Oh yeah, they're hitting. That's why I'm here. You guys are keeping me company. You tell me what your specialty is, and then you make it for me. That's what I like. Only thing I require is that I have a garlic allergy, so no garlic. All right. We got some bowls cooking. Hola, Suze. You're hot. Well, thank you. You're beautiful. Well, thank you. I appreciate y'all. I hate when people don't respond. Like, that pisses me off. I'm cooking balls, meatballs. But my house is so dang hot. Morning! Meatballs! Happy Wednesday. Hey DJ. She's at her house. She will not be back till Saturday. She has a crazy busy schedule this week. Thank you, Randy. I'm like, woman, she has something every night this week. Thank you. Oh, thank you. She said hello to everybody. Thank you. Thank you for the finger hearts. Yeah, you like the song? Me too. Thank you for the follows. Thank you all. Thank you, Buck. Thank you. Ode. Appreciate you. Thank you, Baron. Hi, Andre. How are you? We're waiting on some balls to be done. Meatballs. Thank you, Taylor Wood. Thank you. Oh, we got to 100 heart me's. I love a good even number. What am I? All right, guess he's ignoring me. Oh, thank you.